Yes, it's Quentin again. Here I wanted to show you a quick prototype I was working on over the weekend. Think about a manufacturing customer, auto line, car manufacturer. Think about all those modern manufacturing floor that generates thousands of sensor reading every second or millisecond with welding information, sensor data, conveyor belt, bunch of pressure sensors coming from the stamping press, temperature data, as you can see. There's a lot of machine data being generated in real time. We're talking about millions of specific events. And solution I'm showing here, I wanted to see how we can leverage the power of some data streaming technology like Kafka, and then leverage the power of Anthropic, the Claude AI, in that case using the Claude AI API, to contextualize that data so we can then decide when to react. And the reacting here, we're using ServiceNow, basically based on what Claude AI is going to analyze, based on the analysis of Claude AI, we are creating an incident in ServiceNow. So the manufacturing team, the people responsible of the maintenance in the plant can get dispatched, and the whole process of dispatching all the way to fixing the issues, replacing the part, is orchestrated and tracked in a process in ServiceNow. So here the UI is not ServiceNow, but you'll see I'm going to switch quickly to ServiceNow to show you how we get this data streaming all the way from a bunch of machinery to the Claude AI and then to ServiceNow. So here I'm going to click here to trigger a critical alert. Then you can see some analysis here. In the middle, Claude AI detected some thermal drift pattern and recommending, we're taking some action. So I'm not going to go through the detail here. But it's providing some recommended action. Well, to take action, this is just a war room type of screen for the manufacturing team, the maintenance team, right? They can see what's going on. But under the cover, via the data streaming technology here, there is incident being created in ServiceNow, so we can trigger those follow-up action, those recommended action. Could be a human task, it could be an orchestrated task, but the rest of the process that what I want to show is it's in ServiceNow. So what I want to highlight in that demo is how we can react from specific information coming from a stream. This is just cool additional things in my demo, just showing how the Claude AI can contextualize a bunch of telemetry data that's coming from a Kafka stream, but also how we can plug that stream to ServiceNow to react to that specific event. So I'm going to switch on the ServiceNow instance. I may need to refresh the screen, don't know what's going on here. I'm using here the service operation workspace. I'm going to refresh the ticket came in. It just came in here, it's live, see, on the computer, 7:26 p.m. a minute ago, and can open it, and it should contain a bunch of information. Basically, same information, it's coming from the analysis from Claude AI, so we can probably see the source here. I'm not sure if I mentioned, so the AI analysis, this was done by Claude AI. And this is if it's two variables, like the person working on ServiceNow will be maybe a dispatcher who needs to understand what's going on, so he can decide who to dispatch and where, and for what action. So you could quickly click on summarize incident. In real life, it would be an OT incident, not just an IT incident. So I get a quick summary, and this is the power of AI in ServiceNow using Now Assist to summarize. So we can use one part can be using Claude AI, the other part here in ServiceNow we have capability to summarize, and then obviously the decision to take action and dispatch people could be automated directly in ServiceNow. Yeah, I'm not going to showcase that piece. Now I want to show you the back end. So how we came from a bunch of machinery sending temperature sensor data and then having Claude AI contextualize this data and then doing some analysis all the way to here. We're working in ServiceNow. So if I go in my topic inspector, I'm going to refresh the screen. I have a topic here called MCP on my instance. I'm going to change the time to make sure I'm kind of display. I'm sure I can show the message that just came in. This is UTC time actually. I may have to change the time here to see the message coming. So I'm on ServiceNow. This is under the hood type of screen. Hermes is a managed Kafka cluster of ServiceNow, and we have a bunch of tools to see if to inspect the Kafka topic. So that's what I'm doing here. So we can see this is UTC time, so this corresponds to 7:14 p.m. We can click in view, and now we see the raw JSON payload that came from the data stream. So what I want to show you is like ServiceNow can receive a data stream directly using the Kafka protocol. So it's extremely robust and performance pretty high, and you know the benefits of Kafka. So now this is just to show that it's here in the Kafka cluster. Now I want to update this page and show you how it came from that Kafka cluster, how we trigger action in ServiceNow. So if I refresh, this is the one that came up. I can see the workflow that I created with a Kafka trigger. So that Kafka trigger is listening to a particular topic, and then the workflow has put my logic here to read the payload and put some information in certain variable here, description, device ID, short description. And then I'm looking up the CMDB because why not? It's ServiceNow, trying to find out which CMDB CI correspond that alert is coming from, so I can tag this to my CMDB as well when I create the incident. And here I create the incident record, right? And that's a record you saw here. Right, so if I open the flow just to inspect the trigger, here my workflow is subscribed to that Kafka topic, MCP, and that's the topic you see here on top of the screen. That's a topic that Claude AI is sending information to when there is a critical anomaly. Is then being streamed to that particular topic and picked up by ServiceNow using that workflow, and then here I'm putting my business logic. So here is just creating a record, an incident record, but you can imagine with ServiceNow we also have AI capability. We could automatically do the triage, use our AI agent to manage the dispatch and everything, right? This is really to show the kind of the data pipeline between a factory, Claude AI, and ServiceNow basically using Kafka. So I hope that's interesting. I just wanted to show some kind of innovative use case, different use case from what we typically see from Kafka perspective and ServiceNow.